Hey, ready for some mind-blowing facts? Let's jump right in. The tallest president of the United States was Abraham Lincoln, who stood at 6 feet 4 inches all. A year contains a whopping 31,557,600 seconds. Before alarm clocks were a thing, folks hired knocker-uppers to tap on their windows and wake them up. The longest hiccuping spree lasted for 68 years. In the past, the Olympics gave out awards not only for sports, but also for art. Some people experience arithmophobia, which is the fear of numbers.